everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here. I have decided to do another flip cup, multi-cup flip cup, but with ocean colors, mostly teals. So I'm going to show you what I have right here. I am using this Aqua Flash. It's Color Shift by Fluidart. I'm also using this Pastel Green. It is also Color Shift by Fluidart. I have the Turquoise Green by Amsterdam. I have Phthalo Blue by Atelier. I also have Sky Blue by Creative Inspirations. I have a Pearl White by Modern Masters. This is very, very pretty, and I thought it would be fun to add it. And then I have this Monster Mix. It is basically a teal mix of a whole bunch of leftover paint. And that is what I have done here. I have mixed up just a little bit more of the Atelier's Phthalo Blue at the last second into this one, but mostly these are teal. I just kept mixing until I liked the colors, and that's what I ended up with. I am going for an ocean scene. I have Atelier's Light Gold mixed with also Amsterdam's Gold right here. And then I added a little bit of this Naples yellow to it to lighten it down. So there's two different colors of sand. And I am ready to start flipping. I haven't done one like this with this style of flip cup for ocean colors in a while. Somebody had suggested it in one of the previous videos, so I am doing it, which I can't believe I didn't think of doing this before. So here I go. I'm about ready to make a really pretty mess, I hope. All of my paint is mixed with 75% Floetrol, American, and 25% of Behr's semi-gloss interior deep base. This has no color. This is what I've been working with. I'm trying to avoid my Floetrol going bad. I don't have enough ingredients right now to mix up Olga Soby's pouring recipe, so I've been using this until I can order some more ingredients. So, here we go.
shore, far from this place. Don't let me down, down. Hard to think straight when you look like an angel, my sweet escape. Don't let me down, down. Going
I was completely in the zone with this one. My pearl white was just a little bit thinner than the rest of the paints, and I think that's why I got this awesome cell reaction right here. I have a very hard time filming anything that is the long way on my camera, so hopefully you guys can see it. If not, I will zoom into that area. But this was awesome. I almost covered up this wave right here, and I changed my mind because I feel like it just adds a little something. I gotta do more. I have to do more like this. This was really awesome. I actually thought my teals were gonna be too light, and they actually could have been a little bit darker. I will do some more of these very soon. See you guys all in a few seconds with the dried results. I am really excited in how this dried. I love it. It's very calming. It's just a beautiful day at the beach. And I love my favorite part right here. This, I just love this so much. That's definitely my favorite part. At first I was on the fence about having this one little wave right here, but I'm glad I left it there. It just adds a little bit more. It breaks up the blue up here a little bit. So I almost resined this one, and I'm kind of on the fence if I should have done that. But let me know in the comments below. Do you think I should resin this one instead? I'm not sure. So thank you all for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked this project, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you very much for being here.